Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about uh, AutoCAD 2D drafting, some modify importance command to directly use to home page and how to use to shortcut key in 2D drafting. So let's go to start. So here you can see this is the background, 2D drafting background, and let's see this home page, and this is the modify command just like move command, copy command, mirror command, and offset command, extend, trim, pattern. It's so many different use for modify command in AutoCAD. So they are very useful for shortcut key and as well as used to home page, because we have work anywhere in AutoCAD drawing. So this is very important to learn this shortcut and easy way of 2D drawing work. So guys, now this is the AutoCAD background, and before I have make this circle here, this one is apply the circle and make this circle, and we have provide the radius 100. So this is make the circle right. Okay, we have click the line and join to center line, and again join to center line. So this one is circle here. Now I will go to use the move command. Basically this is the move command. We have move to apply. This is move here, and select this whole body and press the enter. And now I will go to move that means replace. Move that means another area to get particular distance, like we have click this center here and go to 500 to actual distance. So see this move here in actual area, and how to get the shortcut key using move command. So let's, before we have applied the M enter, that is called move command. So M enter, and select this whole diagram and again press the enter. So this is the shortcut process in move command. So here go to anywhere and press the M enter and move anywhere. So like very easy to move command. They are directly used to home page, and another way is press the M enter and apply the move command. Second thing, I will go to use the copy command. Basically copy command is a similar diagram to create in another area and another location. Just for example, this is our body right now. We have made the rectangle. Click this rectangle here and de-enter first distance. We have provide 300, and second distance we have provide 200. So this is make the rectangle. So this one is rectangle. When I go to copy here, so basically here you can see that this is home page and get the copy. Press the copy, and before I get press the copy and select the whole diagram, and after press the enter. And now copy is mean we have provide the distance like 400 distance between create the another rectangle, and also get 400 also get 800 between another rectangle. So this one is used to directly use to copy command, and if I get used to copy command is shortcut key. So first of all I get select this whole rectangle, and if I not when I press the copy command CO enter, this is the AutoCAD copy command CO enter. Press the CO enter and select the whole diagram and press the enter and go to how much distance we have provided in upward direction. So 300 between apply, and also get 600 and also get 900. So this is called a copy command. Is very easy to make the shortcut key. Press the CO enter and get apply the copy command. Same thing I will show you mirror command. Here you can see the stretch command and like that. When see the mirror command. Mirror command is like same component and same diagram and same 2D sketch to get mirror in similar axis, x axis, y axis, z axis, whatever, to make our first image, and similar to make the another side to one step. So this is whole diagram, right? This is the whole diagram, and now I will get used to mirror command. So this one is get mirror. Press the mirror command and select the whole diagram and press the enter, and which across to this axis and across to this axis we have calculate according to which distance across to make the mirror sketch. So let's see this here. If I make this particular axis and if I make this particular axis, you have decided before, and also click this point and also click this point. Then after press the enter. This is the mirror command, and again show you how to get the shortcut key in mirror command. So when I press the MI enter, right, press the MI enter, it's called mirror MI enter. So press the MI enter and select the whole component and across the mirror. So press the enter and get mirror according to this axis. Click this point and also click this point, and after press the enter. So this one is get used to mirror command. Is very useful command from AutoCAD 2D drafting. Same thing I will use rotate command. Like rotate command is basically a particular angle according to rotate the whole body to select it. So right now I will go to rotate the 45 degree in whole components and whole 2D diagram. So this one is rotate command, right? Press the enter and select the whole diagram and get enter and start 45 degree this particular point. So if I get 45 degree, so we have decided which direction I have go to rotate. So this direction I have go to rotate. So press the 45 and get enter. So look like this is the 45 degree to rotate whole diagram. If I get use the shortcut key in rotate command, so rotate command shortcut key I have get use ro enter.